Hi everyone, it's Shane from Hanlon's for another Maintenance Monday. As you can see today we're out in the yard and there's a nice row of balers back here. So we're going to put a shameless plug in for the PM360 program. PM360, if you don't know, there's you get an inspection done on your machine. There's a discount on parts and labor. I'm not going to get into the specifics on it. That's something that you need to chat with Michael about. You can give him a call about it, but just to reiterate, PM360 goes through your machine. It's a preventative maintenance program. The guys give you an inspection report on what needs to be fixed or replaced during your unit. You can sit down with Michael and go through that, have our technicians do some of the stuff. You can do some of the stuff yourself. We can do it all, or you can do it all yourself if you want. But it's a good program to go through. Reason being is it does a lot of prevention as far as downtime goes for you when you get busy in the season. The program is a limited time program. It will start to disappear. The levels reduce once you hit December 31st. And probably the bigger thing is to make sure that you get your unit booked in, because even though it's only December, we're starting to run out of time to be able to fix stuff in time for spring. Yeah, you heard that right. Winter is a very busy time. And so if you need some stuff done to your machine, make sure you give Michael a call in the next couple of weeks. Get your unit booked in, and then he can lock some of that stuff in for you. Hopefully that helps you out. Thanks for watching.